welcome back to another episode of my Lightroom settings video. Today we're going to do Rose Champagne preset. Normally used in your OOTD, fancy cafe pictures, or you can even apply this preset to your vacation photos. If this is your first time watching, feel free to click on the subscribe button. Do let me know what type of presets you would like to see in the next video in the comments down below. Alright, let's get started. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click here for more and click here to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!